chemistry which studies the rate of chemical reaction. Fine. So next thing is you should know what is a rate of chemical reaction meaning. Rate of chemical reaction. So this means it is a rate at which the concentration of the reactant decrease rate of the concentration of reactants decrease and products increase over a period of time or a period of interval of time. R gives reactant, P gives product. So normally we have formula rate is equal to minus delta R by delta T. Delta represents the change. What does this negative sign indicate? The negative sign indicate reactant is decreasing. Yeah, I'll go back to the previous page. No need to worry. Nothing bigger written there. Okay. Branch of chemistry which deals with the study of rate of chemical reactions called chemical kinetics. No one is going to ask you this question. Okay, no one is going to ask you this question. So leave it. But rate of a chemical reaction, you should know this thing. Rate is equal to minus delta R by delta T. Fine, guys. So how many hours everyone is spending time for studying? I just want to know the thing. There are only 4 students. Okay. From the 4 students, I just want to know how many hours each one of you is spending time to study. It's not the classes, studying time. Each one of you, I'm expecting an answer. Honest answer. Total number of hours I need. Okay. Yeah. Honestly, good. So one of the students has told me 9 hours. Okay. So excellent. You got the point. So that is the kind of competition. Who are studying more than 4 to 5 hours? Perfect. But again, if you're studying 9 or 10 hours, we can only study per day. Okay. We cannot do it 7 days a week for 9-10 hours. 7 hours we can do, and I'm sure that if you are doing 7 hours per day, okay, 7 hours of studying per day, at least in this class you should become the top 3. 7 hours per day. Okay, but I have got college classes. Okay, fine. I'll tell you secret, guys. I'll tell you one thing. Okay, so guys, that's what I'm going to discuss now. Sir, if you don't mind, can you give basic kind of studies? Yeah. I will tell you how to achieve the thing. Okay. For studying thing, I'll tell you how to do it. So I just want to tell you a small story. So once I got into my engineering college, okay. So very first day, what happened is that the HOD came to my class of electrical and electronics engineering, triple E. Okay, very strict guy, very strict guy, and he told all of us that to study at least 7 hours per day to get a top rank. Okay, so as a student, okay, whatever our teachers say or whomever we believe, okay, okay, that guy is the right person, and if I follow him, I'll get into success. Okay, if you believe that thing, then we'll obviously follow what the other person is telling us. Okay, so for that we have to believe that teacher, or who he wasn't a teacher, he was just the head of the department of electrical and electronics. Okay, so he told us study 7 hours per day. So at that time in Chennai, so distance between the college and my place where I was staying was around 2 hours. Because Chennai traffic is just like Bangalore, 2 hours it will take, or minimum 1.5 hours. If it is raining, it will take up to 4 hours to reach to my home. So even if the college leaves at 3 o'clock, 3:30, I'll reach home by around 6:30 or 6:45 or 7 o'clock. Okay, because I have to do walking for another half an hour, 20 minutes inside. So at 7 o'clock only, I'll reach the thing. And the college bus comes to the place where I live is around 6:15 in the morning. So I have to get up around 5 o'clock. So 5 to 3:30, and then I'll be reaching back home by 7. So guys, do you think I have time for studying what has been taken in the college? First thing. This was my first year. So do you think that this is a timetable? From morning 5 o'clock, if I wake up, I'll reach home by 7 o'clock. 3:30 the college ends, and that's the thing. But still in the first semester, I secured around 8.9 CGPA. So do you think that I honestly had the time to study? Not sufficient, because obviously I'm walking also 20 minutes. I'll be tired 7 o'clock, and I have to sleep also at around 9 o'clock. You got the point. I had to sleep by around 9 o'clock or 9:30, because I had to get up by 5 o'clock in the morning or 4:30, because at 6:15 the bus will come. Again, I have to walk another 20-25 minutes. It is not 10 minutes walk. Okay. So Saturday and Sunday was leave for me. But just like this thing, what I do is I was getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning, and I was constantly studying till evening 4:30, 5 o'clock. Almost 2 hours. Saturday and Sunday. And you know what will happen? Once you study like this, you'll be dead. After, you'll be dead. Okay. So which means I put in a lot of hard work. And that 7 to 9 timing, just take half an hour from that, 1.5 hours I used to study. So this was when I was traveling from my friend's home. I stayed in my friend's home there in Chennai to my college, where we both were the classmates. Okay. So this is a very, very difficult thing to do. So one thing what I want to tell you is hard work. But if you want to get 9 CGPA or 9.2 CGPA, obviously we need more time. Then what I did in the after that particular semester, I moved into a closer place to my college. So which was around 10 minutes of time. Okay. 7 hours per day, we cannot be doing every day. And we need to do something called self-study. Okay. Self-study. And it's not about a timetable that is mattering for me. I'll tell you some techniques to do. So today I'm teaching you chemical kinetics. Okay. So once the class is over, so you understand the basic things. Fine. And then you study a new chapter. Okay, so before studying a new chapter, try to remember what you have learned in the last chapter. This is the most important thing. Try to remember what you have learned in the last chapter. Very, very important things. Okay, then if you forget something, you can just go back to that chapter and just see the page. Okay, and then you will get it. Okay, we should be full of confidence and we should be confident in ourselves that once we learn this thing, we will not forget. So the benefit of this is, suppose today I'm teaching chemical kinetics. Next year, okay, next June or next May, you have to remember the same topic. You got the point. You have to remember the same topic. So only, or else what will we do? We will study some 3 to 4 chapters for this coming quarterly exam. For half yearly exam, again, we will study, we'll start revising from the last chapters. No. Once we study one thing, that should be there in our mind forever. So first thing is, everyone, each one of you listening to me now, okay, should have a confidence in yourself that once you study this thing, we won't forget. And I told you what to do also. While going to new chapter, try to remember what you learned just before that thing. And after 1 week, again you have to just touch that previous chapter and just see it. Just scroll the pages. Okay. Why I'm telling you each and everything like this is, how many of you want to join engineering here? Message me, engineering, who want to join? Three persons. Okay, fine. I'll tell you the thing. So this is the reason I want you to learn. Okay, 3 people or 3 students want to join engineering. Now, one more question I want to ask you. How many of you have made something? Just like drone or something, right? How many of you have made things in life? Among the guys who asked me, how many of you have made something? Have you made? Tell me yes or no. No. Be very frank. No need to be shy in this. Okay. Abhidat, oh, you've broken a few things. Okay, fine. I'll tell you. Let's take one college called Cambridge College. I'm not against any college. Okay. It's a private college. It's a private college. Okay. And first year, in all the private colleges, the teaching will be good. In the first year. So you'll be very happy. But once you go to the second year, if you're taking electronics or mechanical engineering or computer science, only from second year engineering will actually starts. At that time, you won't be getting any good faculties. In 11th and 12th, if you're not happy with your teachers, engineering, you won't be happy at all with the teachers. Because they're least bothered whether teacher or not, because you have to study. So second year only real engineering will begin. Sir, can we choose our course in second year? You can choose your course in second year only if you're getting 90% and above in the first year. Okay, getting a 9 CGPA and above in the first year, then only you can choose the course of your liking. Which is, getting 90% is one of the difficult tasks. Only 1 out of 1 lakh students get 90% and above in the first year. Okay, so there is one more thing. 1 out of total 1 lakh or 50,000 will get 90% and above. That's a kind of difficult level the paper will be. So coming to this, second year engineering will begin and teachers won't be that good or won't be that knowledgeable to help you out. And final year, the fourth year, you have to make your project. For example, a drone. So now I am teaching you chemical kinetics. Let us I'm just discussing with you. Now I'm taking something called chemical kinetics. Correct? Am I teaching you how to make drone? No, I am teaching you theoretical stuff. But final year or just after some 2 or 3 months, I'm telling you what. Emmanuel, Abhidit, Ria, Gulshan, all of you guys make a drone and give it to me in 5 months of time. So what we will do for this? We'll go to a project center or we'll try to buy it. We'll give money and we will buy it. Because time is only 5 months. I have to make the PPT, I have to make the thesis, I have to make the presentation, everything I have to make. And yeah, and I have to give this within 3 to 4 months of time. You got the point. But if you are in a good college, okay, let's take the IIT or NIT. I'm telling a very good government college. CET, I don't know whether you heard about CET. It is College of Engineering Trivandrum. It's in Kerala. Okay, and to get into this thing, you should get a Kerala rank. Kerala entrance examination rank, okay, of less than 500 into this college. If you want to take computer science, ECE or mechanical or IT, you have to get less than 5. All the top guys will go to this college only. Because only in this college what comes? Microsoft, Amazon, Flipkart, all the major companies will come to this thing. The benefit of this college is you will have something called your seniors. Correct? They will have lot of labs and they'll conduct lot of workshops to assist you how to make. Now currently what I'm teaching you how to make questions, right? They will teach you how to make drone. And in the final year project, if you are a computer science guy, you will join with mechanical engineering guy and electrical guy. Okay, maybe one more ECE guy or maybe 2 computer science guy to give a full project. Okay, fine. So in order to become leaders, you have to be in this kind of environment. Or else, if you are into the first one which I told you, in any private college, okay, we will get the marks. You will get 75%, you will get 80%, your parents will be happy. Okay, my son and daughter is performing well. But ultimately, will you be able to make something? Okay. Or even if you're triple engineer, electronics engineer, will you be able to repair the fan or the mixie or anything? No. So you got the point. So that is the reason this engineering entrance exam is very important, or your board exam mark is very important for you to get into this top tier 1 colleges, number 1 colleges. So all of you should write in your book, okay, 2021, okay, this is my aim. Okay. For example, let's say the highest one, the IIT you want to get. Let's say what is wrong in that. Okay, we can dream big. Or Harvard or MIT, anything you can put. NIT. I want to get into this college. Write it down. First thing is the aim. Why you need to get it? Not because of the placement, not because of Microsoft come or Flipkart come. That is not the case. Because you are to become a leader. So this is not a tuition session or anything. Okay. I am just conducting this class with passion so that I want to make sure that each of the youth like you should know why we are studying this hard. There are a lot of engineering colleges, okay, which is waste actually, totally waste. So I hope this is the reason you have to work hard and no excuses. If we want to make time, we will make time. You got the point? No excuses. And even in your school, okay, if the teaching you're not understanding, I'm there to help you out in that. No need to worry. So, Rishang, still now I didn't get your answer. Maybe in WhatsApp you can message me what you like. Okay, fine. But I'll be and there are a lot of courses, not only engineering. Okay, there are a lot of good courses. I'm not telling you engineering is the only good course where we can get it. Nothing like that. There are lot of good courses available. Okay, lot of scope for anything now. For everything there is lot of scope. I think Rishang, once the lockdown is over, you come to the academy, we can discuss. Fine, I'll help you out. But you should write it down in a piece of paper, everyone today itself, which college you want to do and why. Fine, that you have to do it today itself. Is it clear to the rest three of you, Abhit, Emmanuel and Ria? Today itself. Okay, this will actually give you a confidence, and we should be trusting ourselves that whatever we study, you won't forget. Okay, we have to trust ourselves. That's the only way we can develop. And guys, have you copied down this thing? If yes, let me know the same. No. Okay, okay, fine. Please copy it down. So only for the reactants this is minus. If it is for products, it will be what? Plus delta P. Okay. If it is products, it will be plus delta P by delta T. That's all. If it is a product. Done. And the most important thing for us is the graph. So the second curve is nothing but product curve. Product increases, just like our corona. The second curve is nothing but exponential growth. The first one is what? The reactant curve. Correct. This is the concentration of reactants. Concentration of reactants. And this is time. Okay, guys, this is time. This is here concentration of products. Just like our corona, it is exponentially increasing. Yes, correct. Exactly. So now only we are actually understanding the exponential graph due to the corona. Correct? It is production is increasing. That's it. Second graph is nothing but concentration of products. I told you product is plus, right? What is product value? It's plus. Reactant is minus. Minus meaning decreasing. That's all. Yeah. The down one is product increases. Oh, this is down one is time. All are with respect to time. Why doesn't the concentration become 0 in the first graph? See, I'll tell you the thing. The thing is that we are going to find the slope of this thing. Okay. So the main thing is that we are going to find the slope of this particular graph. If you're asking me that question, I'm going to find slope of this graph. Okay. Fine. That is the reason I'm not making into 0. Fine. And these are all ideal structures and I cannot do anything in that. If there is anything important to your board exam or for the entrance exam, I'll definitely say that. No need to think anything apart from this. Fine. We are not going to do deep work in chemistry. So no need to think extra work. Just copy down this diagram. This is a simple diagram. It is there in your NCERT textbook. Okay, it's there in your NCERT textbook. But I just want to show you this thing, the exponentially increasing one. This is the one which I want to show you. That's it. The next one is instantaneous rate. Instantaneous rate. So it is the rate at which concentration of reactant decreases at that instant. Concentration of reactants decreases at that instant. That is called instantaneous rate. Same equation only. Rate instantaneous is equal to minus dr by dt, or else you can write minus of delta r by delta t. That's it. Same thing only. The first graph. If it is a rate, it will be a first graph. Once you have done this thing, I have to give you a question after this. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Yeah. So everyone is finished. Fine. So guys, if the reaction is 2A plus 3B giving me 4C plus 5D. Okay. Find the rate of reaction in terms of reactants and products. So do it fast and send it to me. in 1 minute of time. That's it. Do things fast. 2a plus 3b gives 4c plus 5d. 4. Yes, stoichiometric coefficient only. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 minute of time, that's it. That's more than enough for this. Yes. So better I will. 1 minute is over. So guys, what is the left hand side? Reactants. What is the right hand side? Products. Correct? Suppose the question is here. AA plus BB gives small c capital C plus small d capital D. What will be your rate? Minus 1 by A into delta of reactants by delta T. This is equal to minus 1 by, why my negative sign? Because reactants decreases. Minus 1 by B into delta B of delta T equal to plus 1 by C of delta of big C by delta T is equal to 1 by D of small d delta capital D by delta T. So similarly, by using this, what will you get here? 2A. So what is our rate value? Rate value will be minus 1 by 2 into delta of A by delta T equal to minus 1 by 3 into delta B by delta T is equal to plus 1 by 4 into delta C, the capital 1, you put in bracket by delta T. So I'm just giving you these things, note it down. Please note down these things, guys. How many of them got correct? Only one student has sent me the answer in WhatsApp. How many of you got this thing? No. Okay. No problem. Please copy down this thing. Once you copy down, this is 1. Okay. This is my 1 only. plus 1 by d. Done. This page now. And in chemical kinetics, problems will come. And the first 4 to 5 chapters are very easy, and we can score full mark in it. Okay. Done. Okay. So I don't think there is no doubt for anyone in this. So if any question comes, you should be able to do this. Okay. So guys, one question, I'll write it for you, then you can do this thing. Let me see. For the reaction, please write down this thing. R to P, concentration of a reactant changes from 0.03 m to 0.02 m in 25 minutes. Calculate the average rate of a reaction using units of time both in minutes and seconds. Please do this question, let me know. So already I think I received one answer. Just verifying the same. It's an easy question, okay? Yes. So Abhijit, it's correct. Good. Very good. Who did not get this thing, let me know the same. I want everyone to try it and send me the answer in WhatsApp. Trying. Okay, good. Try. Try it, okay, guys. Have full confidence in yourself. Yes, Ria, you're done excellent. So Ria has, yes, Emmanuel, you're correct. Very good. So guys, this chapter is very easy thing. Okay, it's not that difficult at all. Any doubts in this? So guys, do the textbook question, in-text question in chemistry. Okay, this is the first question in the in-text. Try to do the rest of the questions, and if any doubt in any of these days, please ping me in WhatsApp. Okay, do the in-text question. Fine. Within that, so read the textbook today, and if you got any doubts in these days before Monday, you can just ping me in WhatsApp, and I'll be able to help you out. Fine. And coming to the physics, once I complete the chapter, I have trigonometry, so I can. Oh, okay, fine. Oh my God, you're testing Sunday also. Fine. There is no much question. There is only some. Let me take the in-text question in this inside a textbook. Okay, I think 1, 2, 3. Only 4 questions are there. It is not 40 questions. Inside the question, only the first 4 questions are there. You can try the first 4 questions. Okay, yeah. This is not 40 questions. It's just 4 questions. And guys, yeah, you can solve it now itself. Okay. Once this is class is over, you can solve. See, that's the kind of initiative I want each and everyone to have it. Because you are not in your 9th or 10th, you are in your 12th. So no excuses. Kindly avoid excuses at any point of time. Okay, you can do it, which I have done my 12th. I know how it is. Okay, my max used to give me around 500 questions as assignments. 500 questions each chapter. Okay, fine. I'm not giving you 500 questions. I'm just giving you 4 or 5 questions. So kindly do it, guys. So Vrisha, you can check in your WhatsApp. I send you the answer. Fine. So happy holidays to everyone. Be safe. And this is not a rat race also. Okay, who is getting more marks? That is not the end of the thing. But everything I told you, if you have to get the marks and you have to get the rank, so that you can enter into a very good college and you can be a leader. That's the only thing. Yeah. Fine, guys. Then bye bye and take care. And please do it now itself. Yeah. Bye bye.